Hi, Bill Barber from Poliigon here. In this video we're going to be looking at how to properly light a scene with a Poliigon HDR in Cinema 4D with Corona. Right, so this is the scene that we're going to be using today. It's a simple scene of a house. It has a camera in it, and yeah, that's just about it. There's no materials assigned. I'm just using a basic clay material on all of the objects in the scene, mainly because we're focusing on lighting today. But what I will do is jump over to this camera view, and yeah, let's get started. So, first thing we need to do is bring in a sky, like so. And with that done, I'm also going to start the interactive rendering. Okay, so now we've got that up, we can see that our sky is kind of generically lighting the scene with a sort of blue light, which is a start. What we need to do now is bring in some textures. Now on some of the other renderers, I've done some techniques where we'll use a low resolution EXR to light the scene whilst using a high resolution JPEG to provide the backdrop. However, Corona intelligently does this in the background, so what I'm going to do is just load in the high resolution EXR and it will optimize it all for us. We'll take a minute to bring in. Okay, so once that's loaded, literally just drag the material onto the sky and you'll instantly see the scenes being lit. Now all you need to do is rotate it into a position that you like. In my case, I like the lighting, actually quite like the lighting from about that angle. Let's just get rid of those houses. Yeah, I think that'll work pretty well for us. So in summary, we've downloaded a EXR from Poliigon.com, brought it into Cinema 4D, assigned it to a skylight, rotated it into position and rendered it out with Corona.